Hello, my name is Vladimir Tikhomirov. I'm Chief Economist at BCS Global Markets. In this weekly report, I will try to outline my view on the current week. So basically, this week would be quite full for events for the Russian market. To start with, of course, over the past weekend, we had this drone attack on Saudi oil refinery, which led to significant cut in Saudi oil exports by about 50%. Oil market reacted, and of course, given the importance of crude oil for the Russian economy and Russian market, the Russian market also reacted to that on a positive note. Ruble strengthened and the market indices moved up. However, today, on Monday, as I talk, it's not still clear how significant the impact of this drone attack was on the facility, how fast it could be repaired, and Saudi exports could be resumed at a full scale. So the market is in a bit of a waiting mode. Further information is expected either late on Monday or on Tuesday. Once that comes, we would see how long-lasting the reaction would be, but for the current week, I expect ruble and the market would be well supported by rising political uncertainty and risk in the Middle East. Another big factor for the Russian market, of course, is the Fed. Fed is meeting this week. On Wednesday, we're expecting to hear about the decision on the rate and, more importantly, the signal from the Fed as to the future policy. This would be a significant driver for the global market and Russian market including. And not least, another important event is expected this week. On Thursday, the three-party talks on gas transit via Ukraine should be held in Brussels between Russia, Ukraine, and the European Union. This issue has been a very significant issue in both Russia-Ukraine and Russia-EU relations. And given the fact that the current transit agreement ends on 31st of December, it is very important for Russia and the European Union to have some sort of a scheme in order to allow smooth continuation of gas transit, particularly during winter. So the recent developments in bilateral relations between Moscow and Kyiv, which, there was prisoner exchange, few other steps, they indicate that there is some thawing in these relations happening, and so that gives us hope that we could see some progress in the gas talks as well. That's all on my side. See you next week.